The students are learning theory behind material science characterization techniques, as well as gaining hands-on practical experience on how to utilize these techniques. This year we've decided to break the course into 3 modules. The second module is based on kind of hard materials characterization and giving students experience utilizing the techniques that exist in the new Annlinger Center for Energy and Environment and the Image and Analysis Center. And so there the students are getting hands-on experience with techniques and equipment such as transmission electron microscopy or scanning electron microscopy.
In lab, we did an experiment where we took scanning electron microscopy images of a butterfly wing. I'd like to go to graduate school for chemical engineering focused on material science, and this course is really going to prepare me. It already is preparing me for graduate level characterization work. This is things that I've seen my graduate students in the past do. I know that this is getting me on track to be a competitive candidate to go to graduate school.